someone's here. Come on in, Lindsay. What's up? What's up, Lindsay? What is this?
This is our wedding board that we still haven't finished.
Okay, so we shaped this like a year ago?
2 years ago.
How long have you been married, Lindsay?
Almost 2 years. 2 years in June.
Oh my gosh. Things happen slow around here. So we shaped this 2 years ago. It's laminated, but we never actually finished it. We never gloss coated it. Cool, the painters.
So pretty.
Give it a flip.
Ooh, that was from my truck.
Well, we will sand that off. That's just superficial. So that's so awesome. So today, we're gonna pop in a fin box.
Yay!
We decided we're gonna place the fin box 6 inches from the tail. Sick. Are you ever gonna surf this board, or is this decorative, Lindsay?
I think it's gonna be mostly decorative, but I'll
Worth it. We gotta wax it up and take it.
I know, I got
to. So what we're gonna do, I'm not a sensei at longboards at all, and I don't have a jig plate to easily route this out. So we're gonna just do it by hand, very carefully. We're literally just gonna trace this. I'm just gonna tape this down, double check, love it. All the guys who do longboards all the time are gonna be so appalled at this. So these fin boxes, when they're made, they're actually made extra tall. You route in the fin box, pop it in, and then you sand it flush with the board. So now we need to adjust this. Cool. Yep, that's it. Okay, let's do this. This is a pretty tight route. This is how you want it. Listen. That is how you know you have a good, nice route. So when I glass this in, I use Q-Cell filler. It's white and opaque, and it fills in any little gaps. When the resin sets, it can expand and actually pinch that fin box shut, so it's super important to keep a fin in it to maintain that space. Okay, it's the next day. The fin box cured all night long. It is looking very clean. Here I'm sanding the box with 45 grit. It does a good job of cutting down the box fast without generating a ton of heat, which can actually warp or melt the box. Here I'm just gonna sand off that scuff mark where the board rubbed on Lindsay's car. Ooh, look at that. That is a freaking cool board. Oh, I'm so stoked on this. Man, this guy turned out beautiful. Well, I'm pretty stoked. I think this is a solid success. Another fun board for the books. Sick. Okay, Lindsay's here. What?
Wow. Wow. Actually, seriously,
Didn't that turn
wow.
out so
This turned out so good. Are you kidding me? That color is perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah. thanks you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Pretty sick.
Oh, it's so sick.
Ooh.
Oh, I love it. Wow.
Right in the living room.
Center.
Yeah, this thing turned out really cool.
Dude, it turned out so nice.
Very-
I love the shape.
Very
Brand's
cool
gonna
board.
love it.
Ooh, it looks very rippable too.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
well,
love it.
Lindsay was the very first friend to sponsor the Rock and See board shop, and her board is the very last board to get done before
Literally.
we shut this shop down. We move to the next place.
Yay.
Bigger and better. Get out of here.
Woo.
Woo.
All right.
That one's a wrap.